We have another property for sale. This is 9,456 square meters. Tax declaration with coconut trees, sea view, overlooking view to the sea, facing town proper in Clarin, Bohol. This is located in Clarin, Bohol, no? Somewhere in Barangay Kandahik, no? Clarin, Bohol. So overlooking yun siya, guys. Sea view, no? Dapita. For inquiries, just contact me. Dali ra ni nga video, guys. Kay wa nako kayo makailham koy kuyog nga buyer gud. So maayo na ni nga property, guys. It's along the road and this is the sea view, no? Apil na pero dili ni tungura. Silingan ra ni pero mao gini siya. Ingani ang status. Nga yuta.